Welcome to Knot So Kreativ. Today I'm excited to share Jeny Stretchy Cast-On, a fantastic technique for projects that need extra flexibility at the edge. Let's jump in and get started. To begin, make a slip knot and place it on your needle. This will act as your first stitch and anchor the rest of the cast-on. Hold your needle and your tail with your right hand. Have in mind that for this cast-on, you have to maintain the stitches close to the tip needle. Hold this stitch with your index finger to secure it in place. Now, with the setup ready, let's begin the sequence for the Jeny Stretchy Cast-On. With your thumb, scoop the yarn from the bottom up like this, creating a loop, and then flip that loop to your index finger, like this. So you get a twisted loop on your finger now. Let me show you again. Scoop the yarn from the bottom up, and then flip the loop to your index finger. Okay, now that we have the twisted loop, we have to insert the needle into the loop and grab the yarn from behind and bring it through the loop. Before releasing the yarn, try to place the new stitch closer to the previous stitch. Hold the new stitch with your index finger while you release the yarn and gently pull. Can you see while I'm pulling, the knot tends to go to the back? That is why it is important to hold the stitch with your index finger. Okay, let's do it again. With your thumb, go underneath and flip the loop with your index. Go into the loop and grab the yarn from behind and bring it through the loop. Move close to the previous stitch, and then, while holding the new stitch with your index, release and gently pull. You have to repeat these steps until you have the desired number of stitches. And that's it. Notice how each stitch looks uniform, but it has a slight elasticity to it. One key to success with Jeny Stretchy Cast-On is maintaining even tension. If your tension feels inconsistent, take a moment to adjust. It's worth it for a clean, professional edge. And there you have it, Jeny Stretchy Cast-On. It's a fantastic technique for creating a flexible, clean edge that's perfect for so many projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. I'd love to know how you plan to use this method. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.